Hi guys, and welcome to the Aurora Grande and Central Coast New Tech Health class. This is an online health class that's going to be all done through Blackboard, and I want to give you a quick little tutorial for you to get started on our class. This is going to be a great way for you to kind of get the basics of it, and the best thing you want to do is really want to dive into this Blackboard system to get comfortable with it, to get the class and have the most success you can have through the class. So our first thing we have is we have our kind of menu up top, and this is our main menu on the left. And obviously for me, I got a couple more things than you do. You got announcements, to-dos, what's new, needs attention, just kind of your basic. Okay, so if you were to click on the introduction to health, this pops up to your first page, which is going to have the contacts. It's got my contacts. If you need to email me, you need to give me a call or text me and let me know what's going on. This is going to be a way, and this is also where this video is located, and you'll see kind of what to do for the class. And that's just kind of your basic introduction to the class. Then under course modules, this is where all of your work is going to be located. And this is where your activities, your assignments, your resources, everything you need for the class is in this course modules page. The other thing you're going to want to know is what we use is we call breadcrumbs. And in order to understand what a breadcrumb is, basically is the best. These things right here, as they come over, you'll start to expand these, and this is if you want to go back just one page. It's easier to use that than the full back button. Sometimes the back button will take you all the way back to the home screen, and next thing you know, you're back at the start. The other thing you want to do is you want to look up your discussions, and the discussions, you'll have links for it in your course modules, but sometimes you need to go back in and respond to other classmates in particular discussions, and this is where you would do that, is using this discussion. Or again, you can also use the course modules and go through it through the links that way. Then there's what we call a calendar, and obviously a calendar is a calendar. This is what's going to have all the start of school. It's going to have all the assignments, when they're due. Basically everything you'll need to know in order to complete the class are kind of in this school calendar. The other thing you want to look at is the tools, and this is very important because this is where you can have help if you need help. It'll also have access to the calendar, the contacts, who's in the class. And if you want to send a message to your other students, you want to send an email to me, you want to send an email to other classmates is another way to do it. And then the biggest one, of course, is the My Grades function, and that's where you're going to take a look at what your grades are for the class. It's crucial you get a real good grasp of this. I'm really excited about having this class online and allowing you to get it going here. Okay.